はい、リヤカーで運んでおります。上りはね、自分が引っ張ってきて、下りは相方。
We all have a face that we hide away forever, and we take them out and show ourselves when everyone has gone. Some are satin, some are steel, some are silk and some are leather. They're the faces of a stranger, but we love to try them on. Disregard the danger, though we share so many secrets. There are some we never tell. Why were you so surprised that you never saw the stranger? Did you ever let your lover see the stranger in yourself? Don't be afraid to try again. Everyone goes south every now and then. You've done it, why can't someone else? You should know by now. You believe yourself. Once I used to believe I was such a great romancer that I came home to a woman that I could not recognize. When I pressed her for a reason, she refused to even answer. It was then I felt the stranger kick me right between the eyes. Well, we all fall in love, but we disregard the danger. Though we share so many secrets, there are some we never tell. Why were you so surprised that you never saw the stranger? Did you ever let your lover see the stranger in yourself? Don't be afraid to try again. Everyone goes south every now and then. You've done it, why can't someone else? You should know by now. You believe yourself. You may never understand how the stranger is inspired, but he isn't always evil, and he is not always wrong. Though you drown in good intentions, you will never quench the fire. Don't give in to your desire when the stranger comes along.
ばちゃん、今日何売りに来たの？
今日はね、びっくり仰天キャンプ用品だよ。
おー、キャンプブーム去ったからね。
もう都会からで買えないもんばっかだよ。
じゃあリサイクル屋に売りに行くの？
そうだよ。リサイクルコッコちゃんってなんだよ。
リサイクルコッコちゃんってあるのか。
リサイクルコッコちゃんの売りに行くんですよ。
おー。